Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn English grammar. Part 1, Parts of Speech. Today we are starting with the most basic and most important part of English grammar. Parts of speech. Think of words like tools. Each tool has a job. Let's understand the 8 tools that build every English sentence. First is noun, the name giver. Nouns are names like persons, place, thing, idea, all are nouns. For example, girl, school, book, and honesty. Second is pronoun, the name replacer. Instead of repeating a name again and again, we use pronouns. He, she, it, they, we. These are pronouns. Third is verb, the action word. Verbs tell us what someone is doing, like run, eat, sleep, write. These are verbs. Fourth is adjective, the describing word. Adjectives describe nouns. Beautiful girl, small house, red bag. The describing word is adjective. Fifth is adverb, the describing word of verbs. Adverbs describe how an action is done, like slowly, quickly, loudly. Most adverbs end with ly. Sixth is preposition, the position of word. Prepositions show relationship, place, time, and direction. In, on, under, behind, at, from. Example, the cat is under the table. Seventh is conjunction, the joining word. Conjunctions join two words or sentences. And, but, or, because. Now, eighth is interjection, the emotion word. These are sudden feelings words like wow, oh, hey. They show surprise, joy, or emotions. So these were the 8 parts of speech. The building blocks of English. If you want more shorts, simple English lessons, tell me the next topic you want and I will do it for you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment your doubts and subscribe for more such educational videos.